So today we'll be unboxing the white noise machine. This is what it looks like. When you take it out of the box, you have the operational guide card. You also have the user manual, and of course nestled inside there you have the white noise machine. Now this white noise machine comes with a charger, and you have the adapter right there, and of course the USB charger. So once you plug it up, it makes a sound, and of course you can see right here we do have a timer where it can time for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and 120 minutes. You have the volume, the play button, whether to increase or go to the next one. You have the pause button right there, and you have the different sound modes. This white noise machine has 28 non-looping natural soothing sounds for both babies, kids, and adults. This can be powered on using an AC adapter or even USB. So you have two modes of powering up. So let's start it and you can see how it works. So I'm playing the music one. I just press play. I can go to increase the sound, and I can reduce the sound. I can go to white noise. So this is natural sound, and then I can go to white noise. I can pause it if I want, and also I can also go to fan sound. So there's some people that like the sound of fan. And lastly, I can also go to a lullaby. This will work appropriately for babies. So you do have 7 natural sounds, 7 fan sounds, 7 white noise sounds, and 7 lullaby sounds. Volume adjust up to 32 levels of volume adjustment, so you can have it the loudest or the most little. It's perfect for traveling, for office, and also for noise cancellation. So I absolutely love the design. I love the equipment. I love how light and durable it is, and it's an absolute A+ for us.